Good day, everyone. I'm Blamnor, and together with Trixel and Patrick, we'll present our mini project entitled Classifying the Income Status of Filipino Households Using Supervised Machine Learning Models. This would be the outline of our presentation. And to give you a background, last November 2022, Philippines inflation soared to 8%, which is the country's highest recorded inflation since the year 2008. Because of these, prices of basic and essential goods increased, which leaves the consumers the burden of shouldering the price increase while their salaries remain the same. One of the possible solutions is to predict household income for better budgeting practices and decision making. Here are some of the studies that implemented ML models to predict the income. For our study, we came up with the following specific objectives to solve the problem. Then moving on to the methodology, the predicting models were implemented using two categories, the expenditure features only and all features of the dataset. Then logistic regression, KNN, and SVM were the three ML models used for income classification. Moreover, the data were taken from 2018 and 2021 Filipino income and expenditure surveys. Then data pre-processing were done to ensure that results are reliable using the following steps.
PCA and RFI were used for feature importance. Using PCA to determine the features, 31 and 135 components are needed to explain 95% variance of the data for expenditure and all features respectively. Meanwhile, RFI determined the top 10 most important features for both expenditure features and for all features. The pipeline simplifies the process of building and evaluating the ML models by scaling the features first and applying the models with their corresponding features from PCA and RFI. The model's performance is then evaluated. The following metrics were used to evaluate the model's performances. For the results, under the expenditure features category, the best performing model is logistic regression with 87.23% cross-val score with 95% explained variance. And is also the best model with 86.34% cross-val score using the features from RFI. For all features category, the best performing model is SVM, which had a 77.60% cross-val score with 95% explained variance. And it was also the best model with a 97.15% cross-val score. While an increase in the explained variance ratio led to a slight increase in the number of components and accuracy, the PCA model using all features had lower scores than the expenditure features only. Logistic regression and SVM performed well in classifying household income, and among the models, SVM with RFI using all features had the highest score at 97.15%. PCA performed better when using expenditure features, while RFI with all features.
For trend analysis, we compared the total expenditure versus the total income of households in 2021 and 2018. And we saw that in 2021, the households had higher income compared to those in 2018. And we also saw that in 2021, the blue line, as total expenditure increases, the total income also increases. But in 2018, even as total expenditure increases, the total income more or less stays in the same range. In conclusion, after executing the models and evaluating them, we found that total expenditure, or looking at the expenditures, offers an accurate way of estimating the total incomes of households. And we found out that if we only chose expenditure features, PCA paired with logistic regression had the highest average cross-validation score of 87.23%. But if we considered all the features, we saw that RFI, or random forest identifier, paired with support vector machine yielded the highest average cross-validation score of 97.15%. So following the results of the study, we recommend the following for improvement. Our future researchers can explore other feature selection methods, as well as using other machine learning models for the investigation. Also, they can investigate further using the specific type of expenditure for 2018 and 2021, because in this study, we were only able to compare the total expenditures already. So that's it for our report. Thank you very much for watching.